Hello everyone, in this exercise of Autocad we will understand the mirror command. In the modify panel, this is the mirror command. In the previous exercise, I have explained offset, trim, extend, move, copy, stretch, scale. I have explained this command. In today I will explain only the mirror command. So for this I create one object, polygon, number of side 3, enter, edge method, select this one, keep ortho on, size of the edge is suppose 500, enter. I make a circle here, any point, this one 100 mm, enter, this one. This is one object. So mirror, on the keyboard shortcut command for mirror is mi, enter. Select the whole object, this one, whole object, enter. Now specify the mirror line, first point and second point. If this one, the ortho should be on, this one, you can, this one, click. Now the system is asking whether you want to erase the source object or not. I don't know, so this will not erase. Suppose again I take the command from the ribbon, modify. In the modify panel, here is the ribbon, mirror, select this one, enter, mirror line. Suppose I take mirror line, this one and this one. Now the system is asking whether you want to erase object or no. Yes, I want to erase. So in this way you can keep or not, or avoid. Okay, these are the erase object of the source object. Okay, now I take another example, rectangle, this one, this is a rectangle. Okay, I create a one hatch here in this one. This one, I suppose hatch, I take pattern, this one, this pattern I am taking. This one, scale, suppose I take 20, enter. This is the hatch. Okay, and close editor. I have made a separate video on the hatch. Okay, and this is the hatch. Suppose I mirror this one, mirror command, select this one, enter, mirror first line and second line. Okay, you will see if you erase source object, you want to erase? No, I don't want. So if you see mirror take place, but the hatch doesn't mirror, because these lines in this direction at 45 degree, but these are in same direction. So in order to mirror the hatch also, what you will do, there is a command, shortcut command, mirror hatch, mirror hatch, 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 mirror hatch. Either click here or enter mirror hatch, mirror, enter the new value. Near cursor you will see the message is coming, new value, give the scale 1, enter. You eliminate, avoid this, delete one. Now I again take the mirror command, mirror, select the object, enter, mirror line, first point, second point, enter, this one. In this now you see that these lines are in opposite directions. So mirror, in this way you can mirror hatch also. Okay, in the same way text, suppose I write any text here, single line text. I will make a separate video on the text also. First point, height of the mirror, suppose 125, enter, angle, rotation angle. In the command line you see rotation, I taking 0, enter, because the rotation is coming, this default. Okay, and this one. Now you can write any text. So for example, CAD center CTRE, enter, this one, enter, two times enter. Okay, pan the drawing. For pan the drawing, you press middle roller button and drag. Okay, now mirror, you give the shortcut command mi, enter, select the object, this one, enter, mirror line, first point, second point, erase the source object. You want to erase the source object? No. You see the mirror now, it doesn't take place. Cat center, this one. So same thing, right? MIRR text. You see there a command is coming, mirror text. Okay, click here. Click here, the command line, the value of the new scale, 1. Enter. Okay, and select this one, delete it. Now again I mirror it, this one. This, enter, mirror line, this and this. No, I don't want to erase also subject. No. Now you see this is the mirror of this one. Okay, in this way you mirror the text and the hatch also. Okay. Suppose I draw a circle here. Okay, and I keep ortho off. Okay. Mirror, select the object, enter. You can specify any direction of the mirror line. Suppose I take direction here, this one, and this one, in this way. You can take the mirror in this way, any direction. Source object, no. Suppose I take here, ortho off, mirror, select the object, enter, mirror line, this one, source object, no, again mirror line. Now again select this one, enter, mirror line, now this one. In this one, no, this one. In this way you can mirror the things. Okay, and at angle also you can, this one. Okay, one example I take more. Suppose rectangle here, suppose mirror, I want to take the mirror, this one, enter, in this way. Ortho off, for this ortho off, this one and this one. You can take any, this one, no. Again mirror, select both the object, enter, mirror line. Suppose I take mirror line here, but for this inclined you keep the off, this ortho, this. In this way you can make mirror. Okay, erase source object, no. Okay, in this way you can use the mirror command. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.